In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the Epic Games Launcher cache on Windows 10. This is a handy process to know, especially if you're experiencing issues with the launcher or if games are not behaving as they should. We're going to break this down into a few clear steps, so don't worry if you're not super tech savvy. I'll walk you through it, making it as easy as pie. Let's dive in and get started. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure your Epic Games Launcher is completely closed. Even though this seems obvious, it's an essential step. Leaving the launcher open might prevent the cache from being cleared properly. You can do this by right-clicking on the Epic Games icon in the system tray at the bottom right corner of your screen and then selecting Exit. If you don't see the icon, click the little upward arrow to reveal it. This ensures the launcher isn't running in the background. Next, we're going to open the Run dialog box. You can do this by holding the Windows key and pressing R on your keyboard. A small window will pop up, and this is where you'll need to type in local app data and then hit Enter. This command is basically a shortcut that takes you directly to your local app data folder, where the Epic Games Launcher stores its cache and other temporary files. Now, you'll find yourself in a directory that might look a little confusing, but bear with me. Simply look for the folder named Epic Games Launcher. Double-click to open this folder, and then open the folder named Saved. Inside Saved, you'll see several subfolders and files, but the one we're interested in today is called Web Cache. This is where all the temporary files and cache are stored, and cleaning them up is what we aim to do. Once inside the Web Cache folder, it's deletion time. Don't worry, deleting these files will not affect your games or their saved data. It's completely safe. Select everything in this folder, and you can do this quickly by pressing Ctrl and on your keyboard. Once everything is highlighted, hit Delete. If prompted to confirm your action, go ahead and agree to delete these files. Lastly, let's just ensure everything is wrapped up nicely. Return to your desktop and relaunch the Epic Games Launcher. Simply find the shortcut or search for Epic Games Launcher through your Start menu. As it opens, it will create a fresh cache with new, faster temporary data, which often resolves many of the issues you might have encountered before. And there you have it, you're all set. Clearing the cache can help improve performance, troubleshoot issues, and generally keep things running smoothly. If you have any questions or run into any trouble, feel free to leave a comment and let me know. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!